Hi, I'm Nera, and we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. Can you imagine creating a fully produced song in a matter of only a few short seconds? That is exactly what the AI I am going to show you today can do. Stay tuned to find out how. That's exactly right. And that is precisely what Suno AI offers. A tool driven by artificial intelligence that's capable of generating original music from a simple text description. Whether you need a unique song for a project, engaging content for your social media, or you just want to experiment with creating music, Suno AI makes the process fast, simple, and accessible to anyone. In this video, we're going to explore in detail what it is, how it works, and exactly why it has become one of the most popular AI music generation platforms available today. Here you can see the website and get a sense of what it's like. We can create music, it has its own community, and it can generate music from any idea you imagine using just a simple prompt, as I mentioned. We can give it lyrics or melodies, and it generates music, creating complete songs with vocals. Stellar Pulse, here it tells us that it generates original music in the style of major celebrities. With AI voice cover technology, you can now sing any song you like using your very own voice. Using the image to song feature, we can give it a specific image as inspiration to create a brand new song, or even use images to create BGM. On the other hand, we have musical genres. As you can see here, there's a huge amount of variety. We have hip-hop, rap, K-pop, country, lo-fi, EDM, rock, reggaeton, trap, pop, J-pop, classical, rap, and black, jazz, and ambient music. We have a free sound center with a huge variety of sound effects, memes, games, and anime. As you can see, a very wide variety. It provides us with a wide variety of powerful tools to isolate individual instrument tracks, automatically generate lyrics, professional mastering, convert various audio files, a creative MIDI generator, and fine-tuning song speed and tempo adjustments. It also offers a wide range of resources, guides, and tips to help you master this AI, including music prompts, a blog, and useful applications. Next, we can move on to the comprehensive pricing section. For this demonstration, we are going to proceed by using the completely free option available on the platform, which you can see right here on the screen. We will select this specific version to show you exactly how it works without any cost to you. Once we have selected it, we are going to provide a very specific prompt asking the tool to compose a unique song tailored for a YouTube channel named Nera AI. This particular channel is deeply focused on exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, featuring informative videos about cutting-edge technology and machine learning. We want the generated song to be catchy, upbeat, and engaging, specifically designed to encourage our viewers to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Here we can choose any wide variety of style we want, from powerful vocal tracks, bossa, or a vocal vibe. Well, a whole ton of different songs, and here there's even a little scroll bar to show even more options. Let's go ahead and select, I don't know. Well, let's try an expressive and emotional female voice. And for the title, we will set it as Nera's Song. Now, let's click on the Create button. As you can see here, there is no additional information required at this stage, so let's wait and see what it creates for us. It's already starting to generate here. We have to wait for just a little bit until it finishes generating this song. Let's see what it gives us this time. This is the first time I'm trying it. As you can see, Manoyo, here we have different menus and options, so that once we have the song, I understand we'll be able to carefully fine-tune the track to exactly what we were really expecting. And here it is. Really fast, huh? Let's see if we can listen to it. Let's hit play. This is a brand new song specifically created for a YouTube channel called Nera AI, which is dedicated to exploring the world of artificial intelligence through engaging videos. Well, it certainly sounds very melodic and catchy, doesn't it? Let's see if we can experiment a bit more to give it something extra special. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Let's see if we select electronic and dance. Well, we've learned something here, which is that it used the lyrics exactly as I wrote them. So I thought it was going to take the prompt I gave it and make up the lyrics, but it used them exactly as they were. Let's see if this second option is the same or different. This is a brand new song for an innovative YouTube channel that goes by the name of Nera AI. Let's try it out. So then We are primarily focused on creating cutting-edge videos about artificial intelligence. The accompanying song should strongly encourage viewers to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community for more updates. Let's change the lyrics a bit, okay? Please subscribe, as this is truly your own channel. All right, and now I really don't know if here we can do much more, because I only have 3 credits left. Let's see. We're going to click on Optimize Lyrics. Let's see what it suggests. Do you see that we also have AI-generated lyrics? Maybe it will give us that too? Well, obviously it's much better now. It's really quite good, actually. It does the entire chorus for us. It does absolutely everything. I mean, we just gave it the basic idea to start with. This is exactly what we were missing at the very beginning, because as you saw before, the song it gave us was just the simple prompt I had entered, and obviously that wasn't right at all, okay? And let's wait for this to finish, and then we'll set it to make it something catchier, right? Electronic dance music tracks, or we could perhaps even set it to disco, right? Let's try it like this. And now at this point, we're going to click on Create. Well, actually, no, we can't hit the Create button just yet, because it already shows us the specific plan it has for us. Look, for a total price of 30 euros or, well, $29.9, we can actually create a full plan. As you can clearly see, the song, beyond the simple fact that the prompt wasn't quite right, since we were trying it out for the very first time, gave us the song with the exact lyrics we had entered and in the specific genre we requested, which was a female sung voice. Notice that if we had first chosen to carefully optimize and refine the lyrics, we could have definitely made a song that fit much better. Yes, yeah. So when you do your first test, you already know and should keep in mind that you really need to start by optimizing the lyrics first. If we choose to go with the straightforward option, a song for a channel, because if we take this one, let's try the simple option. Since we are primarily focused on creating high-quality videos, let's see if the power of artificial intelligence can provide exactly what we need here. The resulting song should be catchy enough to truly encourage people to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We are creating a brand new song for our YouTube channel called Suno AI, which is a platform entirely focused on producing high-quality artificial intelligence videos. The song should really encourage people, let's see if we can do it now, to hit that subscribe button and join our community. I am still thinking about what else to put in here right now. Let me think. It is basically a catchy song for a channel that explores the future of technology. Let's hit create and see what it does. No, we've already used up the credits we had. When we are focused on video content, the system tells us we have already exceeded our quota, so the free plan will run out quite quickly. But anyway, I hope this has helped you see how we can take advantage of this new AI. Let's hit pause. I think it's very powerful. It's quite clear that the initial prompt wasn't exactly the right one, but with a well-crafted prompt, or even if you work a bit more on refining the lyrics, or if we work on the lyrics together, perhaps with another artificial intelligence, we can easily make a whole bunch of songs from here to create that music or that catchy intro for our social media, or even to make a special gift with a song for a loved one. If we go back to the music menu, let's take a moment to browse through the various options it gives us, right? Because we also have these AI voice covers available. Here, as you can see, we could take famous songs, and it can replace that melody or that song with the unique creation we've made ourselves. It also allows us to split music. Here they give us examples of music that they already have split. This allows us, as you can see, it's like any editor. If you've used either video or audio editors, we have the different voice tracks, right? In this case, the vocals, the drums, the bass, and others. And here we can play around with cutting it, raising the volume of the vocals. This is maybe something a bit more advanced, right? When it comes to creating that song we mentioned, whether for simply experimenting or for a specific event. But for those highly experienced and advanced users, it allows us, right from the tool itself, to play with giving more or less volume to the vocals or including more or less of the different layers that the music actually consists of. It allows us to do mastering. Here it says 2.0, okay? It is also important to notice that we can even have our own personal digital library, which is a collection of creations we've made. Additionally, there are even other parts of the menu where we can upload our own videos or even our own custom voice recordings. Notice that we even have a full piano here for arranging your music. To also work with the tempo, right? This is very helpful. Regardless of whether the song is significantly faster or much slower, we have a dedicated section for lyrics powered by AI. And you will notice that it even offers us various other artificial intelligence tools that can help us generate those specific lyrics, right? So what we did by just putting in a prompt directly to test it out very quickly, well, just imagine if we had used these prompts, I understand that these tools would have helped us improve those lyrics, which we could then have carefully positioned in the initial section before creating the song. And with those well-crafted lyrics using these other AIs plus further optimization steps, we would have ended up with a song completely ready to be uploaded to Spotify, right? And then we have the experimental section. We can do remixes with music. Right here, you can actually upload your own music files directly to the platform whenever you want. So as we've seen, if we want to blend a track we've created ourselves with an instrumental background or a well-known popular song, so it can make the mix for us, it is able to do that right here. We can even repair music, same thing, right? Once we step inside this interface, and from what I've seen and learned so far, we can effectively clean up the audio quality or remove any unwanted noise that might be present. We can even seamlessly extract specific sounds from songs, separate them into individual tracks, right? We can do high-quality vocal covers too. Here, we can even upload our own voices. To put it more simply, this means that we can capture our own vocal performances. For those of you who have a good voice, you can record yourself singing your favorite songs, and then by making use of the various editing tools found within the menu, you can easily blend or mix your voice with the instrumental melodies we have already recorded. And here in the public voices section, well, I don't really know for sure, but probably if we browse through the community, surely some people have shared their own voices, or we could do something else entirely. And here, look, it simply has a built-in editor specifically for writing and adjusting the lyrics. As you can clearly see, it's a tool that I think can be quite useful for making small games. But I truly believe it's an incredibly versatile and very powerful tool for those who are really dedicated to their craft. It is not so much for amateurs, but maybe for those working a bit more professionally, because it allows them to accomplish a wide variety of tasks in a very professional way. It's a very comprehensive tool. As you can see, the free mode is more limited. But well, maybe if you want to create a song, this could also work for a family or company event or something simple, without a doubt. I truly believe it is an incredibly powerful tool for those who are deeply committed to the craft of creating music, regularly and in a professional capacity. Well, that's it for the video with this artificial intelligence tool. If you liked it, please leave a massive thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you've created, if you've made good use of this tool, and I'll see you in the very next video.